Good morning, Achieve. Today is Wednesday, February 24th, and we're going to continue talking about curiosity right after we do our Pledge of Allegiance. So everybody please stand, salute, and pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay, so curiosity. I'm going to show you some definitions of curiosity. There's Curious George there, my co-host today. So curiosity, a couple of the definitions we're going to focus on today are seeking out information and ideas, asking questions to deepen our understanding, and pushing ourselves to try on other people's perspectives. So when you use your curiosity to ask questions and deepen your understanding about things, then you really grow your knowledge. You really learn a lot more stuff, and you actually become a more interesting person because you have taken the time to learn more stuff. So I'm going to give you a couple of examples of things that are interesting to learn about that you could use your curiosity for. So you could use your curiosity about your schoolwork just to understand it better and what new things you might be able to learn that aren't actually part of the lesson. Outer space. Are there aliens? Is there life on other planets? Different animals that live in different habitats. Strange looking guys like this one. Or maybe new foods that you've never tried. I don't know where they eat tarantulas, but that is a food that some people eat. So you can use curiosity to find out all kinds of interesting stuff. We can also use our curiosity to understand other people better. Everybody has their own perspective on things. Perspective is basically like the way you see things, your point of view. And our perspectives are all different because they're developed by the life's experiences that we've had. How we're raised, what different things that we've done, different places that we've gone. Like all of those things play into how we, view things, how our perspective is. And so sometimes when your perspective is different from somebody else's, it makes it hard to get along with that person. And so if we use curiosity to get to know that person better, maybe even learn to take on their perspective or their point of view, then we get along better. We're not necessarily going to be friends with everybody that we meet, but we do have to get along with everybody that we meet. And there's going to be lots of people in your life that you're going to have to get along with, even when you see things differently from them. Your boss, for example, or maybe one of your college instructors. These people are important to get along with. So we're going to play a little game. I don't know if you guys remember Mr. Walsh. That was a special guest on Morning Assembly in January. And he taught us a game called I Go, You Go. And it's a way to get to know people better. The more you know people, the more you can understand their perspective. So my co-host George and I are going to practice I Go, You Go for you. And then you guys are going to have a chance to play the game next. All right, George. So I really like to eat tacos. Well, I really like to eat bananas. Cool. Okay, my favorite thing to do is to go kayaking. My favorite thing to do is to swing from trees. Oh, okay, cool. Let's see, what else? My favorite color is green. My favorite color is yellow. Cool. Okay, thanks, George. Thanks for playing my game. Okay, now you guys are going to have a chance to play I Go, You Go. So you can pair up, or your teacher can pair you up, and go ahead and get to know each other a little better so you can understand each other's perspective. All right, thanks, Achieve. Have a great day.